Hello everyone, let's glue book and my magazine only glue book. Well, what this means is we're going to just use a magazine. This isn't random item where I use everything that's on my desk or anything that I could come across. This is just, we're going to use magazines. This is great for beginners who don't have a lot of things. They just have scissors, a composition book, and a magazine. Did I just say magazine? And glue. And they just wanted to get started. They want to see how glue booking works. And so just doing magazine only where you harvest and glue at the same time, this is good for beginners because some people don't have time. They just want to see how this works. What is this? Glue booking. So let me see how this works. They don't have time to sit and harvest a whole bunch of images and then sit down and glue it all down. Yes, today I'm speeding this up and I'm showing you uh well anyway. Got what I was going to say. Oh yeah, I had to speed this up because I did this video in August at some time and I just want to hurry up and get it up. So I'm going to speed this up and then eventually do what some like to do. Some people like when they enjoy what I do. That's why I said you don't never know what you're going to get when you come to a Micki's Arts and Crafts video. Y'all, sometimes, I'll run my mouth and then sometimes I won't. And I'll have to speed it up and put music on. So you can put me in the background and then we could glue book together. So you could do that with, I'm running my mouth too. But but yeah, so that's what's going to happen on this one. So go get a magazine that you enjoy. One of the best tips I could give you is if you go and you get a magazine that you enjoy looking at, you'll be more apt to want to cut it up and use the images in there, and you'll be inspired to come up with something that that comes, may come together into something. You could, if you look and get magazines that other people like just because they like it, and you're like, you're not really thrilled about it, you may not feel like glue booking as much. So I think, hey guys, I think from here I'm just going to go. I'm going to wish everyone well, and I will see you in the next video. I'm still going to stay to the end because I'll be editing and stuff like that here and there. So stay to the end, or if you want to just jump to the end and see how this turned out, I'll have that. But then I will see you soon, and maybe I'll come in at the end and do my outro. All right. Okay, see, you forgot. Thought I forgot to come back and say goodbye. I did. No, no. So, if you made it this far, you'd like to let me know that you are watching, but you don't have anything to say, go ahead and leave a home emoji since this had a home theme or a house theme, or a wave emoji, or scissors, and of course, scissors in our glue books. Okay, thank you so very much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.